Welcome back to Penny AI. If you are creating videos, podcasts, skits, or educational content, and you do not want to record your own voice, this tutorial is for you. Today, I am showing you how to create realistic and expressive voiceovers using artificial intelligence. You will not need a microphone, you will not need to do any editing, and it is completely free. We're going to walk through two of the best tools available right now, Google AI Studio and ElevenLabs. I will explain how to use them step by step, and I will give you a few scripts you can test for yourself. Let us start with the why. Not everyone wants to record their own voice. Maybe you do not have the right setup. Maybe you are not confident reading out loud. Or maybe you are just trying to make content faster and easier. That is exactly where AI voice tools can help. These tools are not robotic anymore. They can laugh, whisper, pause, and sound like real humans. All you have to do is type. Let us begin with Google AI Studio. To use Google AI Studio, open your browser and go to makersuite.google.com. Log in with your Google account. On the left side, click on Text-to-Speech. Then select Native Speech Generation. Now change the model to Gemini 2.5 Pro. This is important. It is what gives you access to realistic emotional delivery. Once you are set up, choose a voice you like, then paste in your script. Google lets you add emotional direction right inside the script. Just type things like open bracket laughs, close bracket, or open bracket whispers, close bracket, or open bracket excited tone, close bracket. When you click Run, the voice will actually perform those directions, not just read them. Here is a fun example you can try in Google AI Studio. Type this in and see how it sounds. I was recording my new tutorial, totally in the zone. Pause. Then my smart speaker randomly said, "I did not catch that." Laughs. I was not even talking to it. Whispers. At that point, I started questioning reality. Sarcastic tone. Clearly the machines are already collaborating. Excited tone. Welcome to Penny AI, where even your appliances get a credit. Now click Run. You should hear real emotion and character in the delivery.
I was recording my new tutorial, totally in the zone, when my smart speaker randomly said, "I didn't catch that." I wasn't even talking to it. At that point, I started questioning reality. Clearly, the machines are already collaborating. Welcome to Penny AI, where even your appliances want to help.
It laughs, it whispers, it shifts tone, and it does not sound robotic. This is perfect for YouTube intros, voice skits, or anything with a bit of personality. Google also lets you do dialogue scenes with multiple voices. To do that, switch to multi-speaker mode in the same menu. Assign one voice per character. Then try a simple back and forth like this. Taylor says, "Okay, real talk. I just made a podcast episode without recording a single word." Jordan says, "Wait, you did not use your voice at all." Taylor says, "Nope, AI voices, emotional tags." Even added a sarcastic pause. Jordan says, "Laughs." "Okay, now I have to try this." Click Run, and now you have a full conversation using artificial voices. No actors needed.
Okay, real talk. I just made a podcast episode without recording a single word.
Wait, you didn't use your voice at all?
Nope, AI voices, emotional tags, even added a sarcastic pause.
Okay, now I have to try this.
You can use this for YouTube shorts, animated scenes, or podcast clips. Now let us talk about ElevenLabs. This tool is known for very clear, professional-sounding narration. It is a favorite for people making audiobooks, explainers, and education content. To use ElevenLabs, go to ElevenLabs.io. Make a free account. Click on Speech Synthesis in the left menu. Choose a voice like Rachel or Adam. Paste your script in the text box. Click Generate. That is it. The voice will sound very...
I was recording my new tutorial, totally in the zone, pause, when my smart speaker randomly said, "I didn't catch that." Laughs. I wasn't even talking to it. Whispers. At that point, I started questioning reality. Sarcastic tone. Clearly, the machines are already collaborating. Excited tone. Welcome to Penny AI, where even your appliances want to help.
But there is one thing to keep in mind. ElevenLabs does not support emotional tags like laughs or whispers in the free version. If you type those in, the voice will just say the words out loud. It does not act them out unless you have a paid plan or do custom prompt engineering. Now listen to the difference. Google will sound expressive. ElevenLabs will sound very crisp and clean. So, how do you choose between them? Here is the quick comparison in plain words. Google AI Studio is better if you want emotion, tone control, or character conversations. It is great for creative work, storytelling, or YouTube skits. ElevenLabs is great if you want clean narration, like for online courses, product promos, or blog voiceovers. If you are doing scenes or character voices, Google is the way to go. If you are focused on clarity and simplicity, ElevenLabs is a solid choice. And remember, both are free to use. You can test them today with the scripts from this video. Before we wrap up, let us go over what we covered. We walked through Google AI Studio and how to generate emotional, expressive speech with just text. We explored how to add tags like laughs, whispers, and different tones. We also created a two-person dialogue with different voices. Then we looked at ElevenLabs, how to set it up, and how to use it for clean, professional voiceover generation. Each tool has its strengths. Try them out. Mix and match based on your project. If this helped, go ahead and subscribe to Penny AI and leave a comment telling me which one you are trying first. And if you want a full tutorial on turning these voiceovers into a complete video or podcast episode, let me know. I will see you in the next one.